All right, rise and shine Monday morning. We've got the first full week of summer. Looking good here in Chicago. Time to start this week strong. So here's what's going on. Right now, heading into the open, we've got the markets higher. Dow Jones, S&P, NASDAQ, all trading up. The focus this week is really going to be on coronavirus. Now, I know we've talked about that for the better part of 3+ months, but here's why. So not a lot of economic data to speak of this week. So it's going to be a very light week with regards to economic headline news. So the focus, as we've seen, particularly last week, is going to be on this uptick in coronavirus cases. And right now, over the weekend, we had 2 days in a row, 2 consecutive days with 30,000 plus cases here in the States. And we're seeing that uptick overseas as well. And that's putting a bit of a cap on this market right now. You look at oil, having a hard time getting north of 40. Markets could potentially be much higher. Had we removed some of that fear last week with coronavirus and really let some of that positive sentiment around the Fed pumping money into the economy run, we could have seen these markets really screaming to the upside. So again, a lot of focus going to be on that coronavirus news as it continues to come out. So that said, you look at these markets right now, like I said, we're trading a bit higher across the board in the equity markets. Oil right now relatively flat, having a hard time getting north of $40 a barrel. And then in the currencies, seeing weakness in the dollar, strength in the euro, strength in the pound, strength in the Aussie as we kick off this week. So it's going to be an interesting one. Just because there's no economic news to speak of, by no means does that mean it's going to be quiet. I'm sure we're still going to see some volatility this week. So hope everybody has a good one today. I'll check in with you folks again tomorrow. Check in with us on Facebook and Twitter. As we get some of this breaking news out, we'll be sure to keep you updated. Stay safe, stay healthy. Let's get out there. Let's do something nice for someone else. Take care, folks.